Of course, you probably saw it, the Federal Reserve cutting interest rates by 0.5%, 50 basis points, the first reduction since the beginning of the pandemic. And the Fed indicated that we're likely to see another 0.5% cut before the end of the year. That impacts all borrowing, right? And that includes mortgages. Steve Mendelson is KeyBank Buffalo's market home lending leader, and he joins me now live here tonight. Thanks so much for coming in.
Thanks for having me.
So I want to start with where we are right now. We'll put the numbers up on our screen here for our viewers. Bank rate, which kind of does a national average looking at mortgages, says the average 30-year fixed mortgage right now is 6.31%. That is actually over the past week. It's probably gone down a little bit over the past few days. KeyBank's best rate right now, this includes a discount if you're a KeyBank existing customer, but 6.125%. And I want to tell everybody, your interest rate, your mortgage rate will depend on your credit score, how much you're borrowing, exactly when you're doing it, your state. There are a million factors in all of this, but basically the bottom line, mortgage rates remain high, but are coming down, right? How do you describe where we are in this moment?
I can tell you we have seen obviously rates lowering, coming down within the past 6 to 8 months on a steady stream. These rates today that we're seeing right now, they are the lowest they've been since February of 2023. So we're excited about where we are and where we're positioned and overall how we're trending, right, with mortgage rates. I think you have to understand too, the people that went to the sidelines when they were looking because of the higher interest rates, I think they're re-engaging again right now as well. So there's a really good recipe that's coming together for home buyers and for interested just overall buyers that are out shopping today.
Let me ask you about the impact of the Fed's cut yesterday. Again, it's right here, a 0.5 percentage point. It is a big cut to do all at once. The first time interest rates are being cut since the pandemic started, right? But it takes a while for that to filter through everything. And we're not going to see overnight mortgage rates go down by a 0.5 percentage point, right? But what will be the impact of this on mortgage rates?
Again, with the Fed's announcement, that's really for more short-term rates, right? If we go back, as I said earlier, and we take a look at where rates are today and where we were 7, 8 months ago, we've certainly seen that decrease, right? And it's happening. I think we're not really at the lowest end yet. I think there's more to come with the Fed making that second announcement, and we'll see where we get. But I think it's just, again, this cascade effect, if you will, of everything that happens when rates are lower, right? People feel more confident, more affordability comes into play. So there's a combination there of things that will certainly, I think, uplift home lending.
And it was great, obviously, to hear the Federal Reserve Chairman yesterday say we're probably going to get another 0.5% cut before the end of this year. It's about the forecast, right?
Yes.
And all that. Let me end here by asking you about what this means for the housing market, specifically here in Buffalo. You expect that this will put more people back into the game, right, as rates keep going down?
100%. I think, I can speak for Key. I think we feel bullish on where the housing market is right now. I think these trends will continue. I think we will continue to work with this, right? And most importantly, be able to work with our first-time home buyers, right? I think that was really the piece we lost when rates went up.
Yeah.
Now those folks can compete. We're making homes more affordable for them with the many programs that we offer. So again, I think, we're going to see something that's very positive long-term.
I have a feeling you're going to be busy with folks not only getting into the market, right, but refinancing, trying to get rid of those higher rates as we get going. Steve Mendelson, KeyBank's Buffalo market home lending leader. It is really great to get your insight on this. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Appreciate it.